Let's learn Mummy Trance. It's choreographed by Regina Cheung. It is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with restarts on walls 3 and 6 after 24 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restarts and the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 7 walls of a dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Mummy Trance. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a grapevine to the right with a stomp. So you're going to step your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, and then stomp your left next to your right. When you stomp, you want to slightly bend your knees. We're now going to swivel both heels to the left, both toes to the left, both heels to the left, and then both toes to the left, making it centered with 12 o'clock, putting your weight on your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your grapevine stomp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do toe struts forward, and as you do toe struts forward, you're going to do like mummy arms or zombie arms. So when you do your toe strut with your right, that right arm is going to come forward kind of like in a claw motion straight out. Same thing with the left. You're going to just kind of have those arms switch as you do those toe struts. So weight is on your left. You're starting with your right toe strut. So you're touching that right toe forward. Bring your right arm forward. Drop your heel. Do a left toe strut. Bringing that left toe forward. Left arm forward. Drop your heel. Do the same thing with your right. Right toe forward. Right arm forward. Drop your heel. Left toe forward, left arm forward, drop your heel. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your toe strut. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a Monterey quarter turn. So you're going to point your right toe to the right side, slightly angling your body to the left. You're going to do a quarter turn over your right shoulder, turning on your left foot and stepping your right next to your left. You're now facing 3 o'clock. You're going to point your left toe to the left side and then step your left next to your right. We're now going to do heel switches. So you're going to place your right heel forward, quickly step your right next to your left, place your left heel forward, quickly step your left next to your right, and then we're going to step forward with our right foot and do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your Monterey quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Section 4, and our final section of the dance. We're going to do a jazz box cross. So you're going to cross your right over your left, step back with your left, step your right foot to the right side, and then cross your left over your right. We're now going to do syncopated out, out, in steps. So we're going to quickly step out, out, right, left, and then quickly step in, right, left. And then we're going to do that again. Out, out, right, left, in, right, left. Now, if you do not want to do it syncopated, you can just make them full counts going out, out, in, and you would only do 1 set. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your jazz box cross. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. Now, if you wanted to do it full count, without the syncopation, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is an option if you would like to make it a little lower impact. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your grapevine with a stomp. So it's side behind, side stop together, heels, toes. Right toe strut, left toe strut, right toe strut, left toe strut. Monterey, quarter turn, heel step, step, half pivot, jazz box, cross. Now you're syncopated out, out, in, out, out, in. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your grapevine stomp. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restarts. Your first restart will be on wall 3, so you'll be dancing the 6 o'clock wall. We're going to dance 24 counts, which means we're dancing up until we do our heel switches and our half pivot. So let's dance up to that part. Weight is on your left, doing your grapevine stomp together. So it's side behind, side stomp together, heels, toes, right toe strut, left toe strut, right toe strut, left toe strut. Monterey, quarter turn, heel step, step, half pivot. Right here you're going to restart doing wall 4 to 3 o'clock. You'll dance wall 4 all the way through, wall 5 all the way through, and then when we are doing wall 6, you'll dance those same 24 counts and then restart. Now, the dance ends facing 9 o'clock on your out, out, in, out, in. There are a few extra musical notes before the song completely ends, and all you're going to do is a zombie walk towards the front. If you're in a big group, you can kind of do it towards each other, but you're just kind of doing like your mummy or your zombie walk back towards the front, and that is how you will end the dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 7 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the restarts into their next wall. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your grapevine stomp together. So it's side behind, side stomp together, heels, toes, right toe, strut, left toe, strut, right toe, strut, left toe, strut. Monterey, quarter turn, heel step, half pivot, jazz box, cross, out, in, out, in, grapevine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 24 counts. Grapevine with your stomp together, heels, toes, right toe, strut, left toe, strut, right toe, strut, left toe, strut. Monterey, quarter turn, heel step, step, half pivot, restart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Grapevine with your stomp together, heels, toes, right toe, strut, left toe, strut, right toe, strut, left toe, strut. Monterey, quarter turn, heel step, step, half pivot, jazz box, cross, out, in, out, in, 24 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Restart. Grapevine with the stomp together. Heels, toes, right toe, strut, left toe, strut, right toe, strut, left toe, strut. Monterey, quarter turn, heel step, step, half pivot, jazz box, cross, out, in, out, in. And that is the whole dance. You will then dance until the song is ending, facing 9 o'clock, and do your mummy walk to 12 o'clock. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo, so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn mummy trance. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
You gotta dance, dance yourself into a trance. Mommy says you gotta scream, do your thing, it's Halloween. Mommy says you gotta howl, mommy says you gotta growl. It's been horrifying people for thousands of years. But don't be frightened. Mummies love to rock and roll. Rock and roll. Even though they're very old. Very, very old. If they don't rock, they lose their breath. Sometimes they scare you half to death. Mummy wants to dance with you. Get out your mummy suede shoes.